Artificial intelligence, AI, is making waves across industries, and the way we work is constantly evolving. While AI isn't here to steal everyone's job, some roles are more susceptible to automation than others. Today, we'll explore 5 everyday jobs that might see significant changes due to AI advancements in the coming years. 1. Customer service representatives. Repetitive customer service inquiries and troubleshooting can be handled by AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, resolve basic issues, and even schedule appointments, potentially reducing the need for some customer service representatives. 2. Fast food cooks and cashiers. Fast food restaurants are increasingly adopting automation for tasks like burger flipping and order processing. This, combined with self-service kiosks, could lead to a decrease in the number of cooks and cashiers needed. 3. Bookkeepers and payroll clerks. Data entry and record-keeping tasks are a breeze for AI. Accounting software with AI capabilities can automate bookkeeping functions and streamline payroll processing, potentially reducing the demand for some bookkeeping and payroll clerk positions. 4. Taxi drivers, urban areas. Autonomous vehicles are a hot topic, and self-driving taxis could become a reality in urban areas within the next few years. While this technology is still under development, it has the potential to disrupt the taxi industry and impact the livelihoods of taxi drivers. 5. Factory quality control inspectors. Tasks involving visual inspection and identifying defects on production lines can be automated using AI-powered image recognition software. This could lead to a reduction in the number of human quality control inspectors needed in some factories. The human touch endures. AI is a powerful tool that can improve efficiency and productivity. By understanding its potential impact and focusing on developing in-demand skills, we can prepare for and embrace the future of work. What jobs do you think will be most affected by AI? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos exploring the ever-changing world of work.